So next one is very interesting. Eyeglasses and contact lenses. So it's not, as we see, it's not so simple. So we cannot take it for granted, right? So that of course eyeglasses is a medical necessity, but not all eyeglasses. Okay. So right. So again, eyeglasses, contact lenses. Number one, ordinary eyeglasses. According to the most authorities, a nearsighted person who normally wears glasses all the time may wear them in public domain on Shabbos. Okay, which is good, right? So nearsighted person wears the glasses most of the day, right? So he or she can wear the glasses on Shabbos. Okay. So we're talking about outside, right? When there is no eiruv, even if he can see somewhat without wearing them, since the glasses serve a person's body by making him see better, and he wears them most of the time, are considered one of his garments. So again, we have to take into consideration these two things, meaning that a person wears all the time and or most of the time. So and we see we'll apply this formula somewhere else, right? So and that's why it's like and he needs it, right? He needs it, and right, and that's why it's considered as one of his garments. Garments is in double quotes. I mean, it does not have, it says in double quotes here, but we understand it's not a garment, but something that would be allowed to wear on Shabbos. If person cannot see without glasses, they are further considered a medical item that may be worn outdoors. So if it's only, so if person is nearsighted, meaning otherwise can see, of course, preferably to see with glasses, but technically without glasses, this person can survive basically, right? I mean, it's very inconvenient, very frustrating at times, but technically person can survive. So then for him it is a garment, since he wears most of the day. But if a person cannot see without glasses, so then it's a medical item. So we see a different gradation, right? And maybe worn outdoors, of course. However, if person can see fairly well without glasses and wear them only occasionally, it is questionable whether he is permitted to wear them outdoors on Shabbos. So, for example, somebody's would wear glasses only while driving, or only driving at night. So that's questionable if he's allowed to wear the glasses on Shabbos. They cannot readily be considered garment, right? Because it's not worn all the time. Since right. And they cannot really consider medical item because he can survive, right, without it. Since a person can see without them, one should consult halachic authorities concerning such an item, such an issue. I'm not sure why would this person needs these glasses that that he only or he or she wears only from time to time. I'm not sure. Like the way I understand, so some people they see pretty well, they don't need glasses, but the government wants they demand him or her to wear glasses while driving. So that's very very important. They actually put in a driver license that that person should wear glasses, right? Or you have to prove that you wear a contact lenses or something, but you cannot drive without glasses or contact lens, or prove that you have a surgery or something, right? Right. But okay, so here's another case is reading glasses. So right, so the people who have reading glasses, they usually see pretty well, right? But only for reading, something very close to the face they cannot see. It is forbidden to wear the reading glasses outdoors, since they are not always worn, and cannot be considered one of the right? A person's garment, right? Because again, because they're not always worn, and since the person does not need them to help him to see while walking outdoors, they cannot consider medical item, right? So bifocal glasses are subject to the same rules as regular glasses. So meaning these reading glasses are not allowed. You're not allowed to bring the reading glasses on Shabbos. So what do? You bring before Shabbos or leave it there, right? I think I said it in my show. There is like a basket, right? So like a gift basket. Somebody like brought, and they collected many pairs of glasses. So usually people leave their glasses by the place of prayer, but some people just forget, and so somebody just collect everything, all of the in basket. And sometimes you see people like they trying out. Is it like my size, not my size, right? My focus, not my focus. Very interesting, right? So, but wearing the these reading glasses is not allowed on Shabbos. Again, it's not a medical necessity because per person can see where he walks, and it's not garment because it's not worn most of the day.